Ladies and gentlemen.
What's going on, pumpkin people? Just wanted to check in and show you what we're doing for the preparation of the 2025 giant pumpkin season. I'm going to show you the products we've purchased so far. Just a news flash, I'm not sponsored by any of these products. These are the products I'm going to be using this year, and I just wanted to show you what you should maybe be purchasing if you're thinking about growing a giant pumpkin this year for 2025. So stick around, we're just going to get right into it. Okay, like I said, I'm not sponsored by any of these products here. These are some products that I've purchased so far. I'm just going to go through them real quick. First, we have soil heating cables. Definitely get yourself some soil heating cables. This is going to help raise that soil temperature for you in the early spring. These are the ones I purchased right there. Get these on Amazon. Right there. So if you want to get the same ones I did, but soil heating cables, definitely a must. What else do we have here? We're going to be trying the 5-2 Wonder Blend humic fulvic acid seaweed extract this year from Wow Organic Wonder. I'm going to put the link in the description to Ron's site where you can purchase the Wow Wallace Organic Wonder products. But we're going to be trying this year. Just probably light drenches throughout the season. Definitely, I think the seaweed has like some growth hormones in there for the plant, and humic fulvic. It helps feed your soil microbes. So we're going to give this a shot this year. I've never really tried it, but a lot of growers use this stuff right here. So definitely want to give that a try. Next, we have Azos. Azos, I've used this for a few years now. Azos, if you do want to sponsor me, that'd be great. I use your product every year. I'm going to put the plug in for myself right now. So anyway, this is from Extreme Gardening, Azos. It's a beneficial bacteria. It's a natural growth promoter, as you can see. It helps create nitrogen-fixing bacteria for your roots. But I think it helps pull nitrogen from the atmosphere into nitrogen that your plant can use. I use this when the plant's very small, even in like the seed starting mix, then in the planting hole, and then when I'm burying vines. Azos, use it every year. Definitely gonna keep using it. Good luck with that. Next, we have the Wow Organic Wonder mycorrhizal inoculant. This I use for burying my vines in my burying mix. It's basically helps get your roots in the rhizosphere more robust, and it helps just your plant be more healthy. This is basically a fungus that just grows around your roots, and it definitely helps, I feel like. I mean, I've been using this for a couple of years now. Like I said, I don't know the exact science behind all this. Well, it's hard to explain, I guess, but definitely mycorrhizal. Do some research on there. It helps, your root zone. It helps extend the root rhizosphere. Definitely helps the plant be a little more robust and a little more healthy for sure. Next, Wow Super Starter Packs. Use these a lot in my tomato planters. I use them in my giant pumpkin patch when I plant, and I use them for flower pots. Basically, these little packs in here, and they have mycorrhizal in them, and they're a 10-3-6, and basically it's a slow release fertilizer. It breaks down over time and helps feed your plants for a couple of months. It just gets your plants off to a healthy start, and definitely for container growing and for flowers. See right there, those are what the packs look like. See, put it right on your tomato plant, and it helps feed your plants there. It's got a 10-3-6. Yeah, 10-3-6. Contains mycorrhizal. Definitely had good luck with these. I've noticed some improvements definitely in my tomato plants, in my planters, and my flowers have looked real nice. So definitely recommend these. Pick those up. Last but not least, we got all-purpose black gold potting mix. So if you watch my other videos, I've had some issues with burning on seedling leaves and such, and I've done a lot of research this winter, and this is what we're going to be using to start our plants this year. I might cut it with a little bit of just seed starting mix just to help reduce the NPK here, but this is definitely, I'm looking forward to trying this. A lot of growers use this and have had really good luck. Some put worm castings and such in the mix to help get those plants off to a good start. So I just wanted to just show you what I've purchased so far for the 2025 giant pumpkin season. I got your Azos, the 5-2 Wonder Blend, humic fulvic seaweed extract, super starter packs, mycorrhizal. We have our soil heating cables right there. And in a couple months, it's gonna be seed starting day before we know it. We still got to get our soil tested. We've expanded the garden. Check out that video. Really looking forward to this season. The drive for over 1,000 pounds is on. Definitely check out these products. Until next time, grow 'em big.